Alicante, a charming coastal city nestled on Spain's southeastern Mediterranean coastline, is a vibrant and culturally rich destination that offers a wide array of activities and attractions for travelers seeking sun, sea, and a taste of Spanish culture. With its stunning beaches, historical landmarks, delicious cuisine, and a vibrant nightlife scene, Alicante has something to offer every type of traveler. One of the city's primary draws is its beautiful beaches, including the popular Playa del Postigo, with its soft golden sands and crystal-clear waters. Here, visitors can bask in the Mediterranean sun, take a refreshing swim, or engage in water sports like windsurfing or paddleboarding. For those who prefer a more tranquil beach experience, the nearby coves of Cabo de los Huertas offer seclusion and pristine beauty. Alicante boasts a rich historical heritage, and its old town, known as El Barrio, is a treasure trove of historic sites. The Santa Barbara Castle, perched atop Mount Benacantil, offers panoramic views of the city and the sea, along with a glimpse into the region's history. Stroll through the narrow, winding streets of the old town to discover charming squares, colorful buildings, and architectural gems like the Cathedral of St. Nicholas. To delve deeper into Alicante's history and culture, visit the Archaeological Museum of Alicante, MARQ, renowned for its interactive exhibits that showcase the region's past, from prehistoric times to the present day. Another must-see is the Casa Carbonell, a modernist building that exemplifies the city's architectural diversity. Alicante's culinary scene is a delightful fusion of traditional Spanish dishes and fresh seafood. Be sure to savor local specialties such as paella, arroz a banda, rice cooked in fish stock, and espadrilles, grilled sardines. The city's bustling Mercado Central is a food lover's paradise, offering a wide range of fresh produce, meats, cheeses, and seafood. Don't forget to pair your meals with regional wines, such as the acclaimed wines of the Alicante DO, denomination of origin. As evening falls, Alicante comes alive with a vibrant nightlife scene. The Explanada de España, a palm-lined promenade along the waterfront, is a popular spot for an evening stroll and people-watching. You'll find a myriad of bars, clubs, and restaurants in the city center, catering to all tastes and preferences. Enjoy live music, dance the night away, or simply sip cocktails while enjoying the sea breeze. For those with an interest in festivals and cultural events, Alicante hosts numerous celebrations throughout the year. The Hogueras de San Juan, a spectacular bonfire festival in June, and Semana Santa, Holy Week, processions are among the city's most famous cultural events. In conclusion, Alicante is a captivating destination that seamlessly blends its natural beauty, historical charm, delectable cuisine, and lively culture. Whether you're lounging on its pristine beaches, exploring its rich history, savoring its culinary delights, or immersing yourself in its vibrant nightlife, Alicante promises an unforgettable experience for all who visit. It's a destination that truly embodies the essence of Spain's Mediterranean coast and invites travelers to create lasting memories.